Okay, today we've got a Remington Typewriter Streamliner. I could not find the model number on this thing, so if you guys know where it is, I really need to know. Let me know if you're buying it. I'm not too concerned about it. It's a super tiny little typewriter. What is all this? Go ahead and do a type test. Start off with that. And then we'll go from there. Okay. A little sticky on those sides. I haven't cleaned it in a little while. I did clean it and get everything. So a couple sticky spots. Like I said, I will get these unstuck. Caps lock right here. I have an old, that one. I have an old, fix that, typewriter ribbon in there. So it's not looking the best. I'll have to get a new one. And lots of sticky keys. So I will do my best to get a new ribbon in here. Make sure it's not at its end. It might be just at the end. How do I do ribbon reversal on this thing? Down here, well, I found that part, so it's right here is the ribbon reversal, just so you know, kind of down in this little area. So pretty simple. Let's look at that question mark again. I think it was just stuck, so let's do another one. I think it was just stuck in a bad spot. Just needs a little bit of grease, but the typeset itself is good. Okay, a little bit more about this guy. Take this back on. Get ink everywhere. Okay, you got your shift, backspace, shift. I don't know. I think that is to switch it back and forth, but I don't think that's working. Or that might be the, that's going to be the release down here. So if you're still typing. I don't know what that does. You've got paper release right there. This is carriage release, spacing. Now it's on 0 spaces. That's interesting. That's so you can go in there. 1 space, 2 space. So that's pretty simple. You got margins back here. And I think that's about it. Overall, it's in pretty good condition. Like I said, it needs a little bit of love on some of the keys. I'll try to get those unstuck. Shouldn't be a problem. And yeah, what I like about this thing, I'm pretty sure this is going to be the spot where you put, yeah. I think that's where it's supposed to sit when you put the back lid on. Back lid is missing one spot right there. It's broke. The other spot seems to be fine. There you go. Now it's a whole case. So pretty cool. Anyways, holler if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.